Hello everyone, I am Kamaljit Kaur and you are watching Literature Nexus. As I have started the series of MCQs on the syllabus of term 1 of 10th class, so now we will start the next chapter, half a rupee worth. That is our second chapter of supplementary reader. So the first question is, who was Subia? Option A, confectioner, B, an auto driver, C, a rice merchant, and D, an engineer. So answer is rice merchant. How many cows and buffaloes did Subia have? 2, 4, 6, 5. Answer is 5. What kind of life did Subia lead? Satisfying, full of worries, frustrating, pointless. Answer is A. Satisfying. What did Subia use to sell at the market gate? Wheat, maize, rice, barley. Answer is rice. So next question is, how much land did Subia own in a nearby village? 50 acres, 40 acres, 30 acres, 20 acres. Answer is 30 acres. Question number 6. Dash ceased to send rice. Option A, India and China. Option B, Pakistan and India. Option C, USA and USSR. Option D, Saigon and Burma. Answer is Saigon and Burma. Question number 7. What happened to Subia's profits during the war? Option A, remained the same. Option B, piled up. Option C, decreased. Option D, none of the above. Answer is piled up. Question number 8. Subia distributed for dash for charity a week. 100 rupees twice, $1,000 twice, a few annas twice, nothing every. So the answer is a few annas for charity twice a week. Subia distributed a few annas for charity twice a week. 2 ਵਾਰ ਉਹ ਹਫਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੈਰਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਲਈ a few annas ਥੋੜੇ ਜਿਹੇ annas ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰੀਬਿਊਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ. Question number 9. On which day he break a coconut at a temple? Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So the answer is Friday. Question number 10. Subia continued his business as a dash. Question number A. Option number A. Fair price grain depot, departmental store, grocery store, all of the above. Answer is fair price grain depot. Question number 11. For how many people did the poor man want to buy rice? ਕਿੰਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਲਈ ਜੋ ਗਰੀਬ ਆਦਮੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਰਾਈਸ ਖਰੀਦਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ? For 1 person, 3 persons, 6 persons, 4 persons. There were 6 persons in his house to feed them. Question number 12. How much rice did the poor man demand? 2 seer, 3 seer, half a seer and a seer. Answer is 3 seer. Question number 13. The poor man's ration card had been exhausted dash days ago. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 2. B option. Question number 14. How much price did the poor man expect for 3 seers of rice? 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 4 rupees. Answer is 1 rupee. ਉਹ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ 1 ਰੁਪਈਏ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 3 ਸੇਰ ਰਾਈਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਣ. Question number 15. How much money did the poor man have? 8 annas, 4 annas and 1 rupee and 2 annas. So the answer is 8 annas. Question number 16. Rice was in his blood means He ate nothing but rice. He liked the smell of rice. He knew all about rice. He grew rice in fields. So the answer is he knew all about the rice. कि राइस जो सी उसके खून ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀ मतलब कि ਉਸ ਨੂੰ सब कुछ नॉलेज ਸੀਗੀ राइस बारे. Question number 17. Where did Subia go to get the rice? To his house, to a secret godown, to the fields, inside his shop. Answer is to a secret godown. Those were the days when Subia lost the rice bags. Which were that days? Answer is options are his childhood days, his old days, his youth days, his birth time. Answer is his childhood days. Question number 19. Which of the following is not true? Subia was dash. Hardworking, sympathetic, miser, clever. Subia was hardworking also. He was miser also. Miser means कंजूस भी सी हो. He was also clever. So the answer is sympathetic. How much rice did Subia agree to sell? किन्ने राइस ਉਹ बेचਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੰਨ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ? 1 kilogram, 5 kilogram, half a seer, none of these. He agreed to sell half a seer. Answer is C option. How did Subia die? ਕਿਵੇਂ Subia ਦੀ ਫਿਰ ਡੈਥ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ? Option A. The bags of wheat fell on him. B. The bags of coconuts fell on him. Option C. The bags of rice fell on him. Option D. The bags of badra fell on him. Answer is C. The bags of rice fell on him. Question number 22. Besides selling rice, what else did Subia do to earn more? ਰਾਈਸ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਚਣ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਉਹ ਹੋਰ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਕਮਾਈ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋ ਸਕੇ? ਲੈਂਟ ਮਨੀ ਐਟ ਵੈਰੀ ਹਾਈ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ ਰੇਟਸ. ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੀਮਤ 'ਤੇ ਵਿਆਜ ਦੀ ਕੀਮਤ 'ਤੇ ਉਹ ਪੈਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਉਧਾਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਸੀ. ਐਕਵਾਇਰਡ ਦੀ ਹਾਊਸਿਸ ਆਫ ਦੋਜ਼ ਹੂ ਫੇਲ ਟੂ ਪੇ ਬੈਕ ਹਿਜ਼ ਮਨੀ. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਘਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਬਤ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਵਾਪਸ ਪੈਸੇ ਪੇ ਕਰਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਸੀ. ਬੋਥ A and B, none of the given. Answer is both A and B. So next question. The poor man waited for Subia from dash. Evening to the next morning, evening to the next evening, evening to the next night, evening to the next afternoon. So answer is A. Evening to the next morning. Subia dash the officers who came to examine his stocks and accounts. Subia ਕੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਆਫਿਸਰਸ ਨਾਲ ਜੋ ਉਸਦੇ ਸਟਾਕਸ ਔਰ ਅਕਾਊਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਿਨ ਕਰਨ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ? ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਏ ਬ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਮੀਨਸ ਰਿਸ਼ਵਤ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਸੀ. ਬੀ ਅਬਿਊਜ਼ਡ ਗਾਲਾਂ ਕੱਢਦਾ ਸੀ. ਸੀ ਕ੍ਰਿਟਿਸਾਈਜ਼ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਆਲੋਚਨਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ. ਜਾਂ ਡੀ ਨਨ ਆਫ ਦੀ ਅਬਵ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ. ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਏ ਇਜ਼ ਦੀ ਆਂਸਰ. ਸੋ that's all for this lesson, half a rupee worth. Thank you for watching. Keep listening, keep studying. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you.